I think could be very interesting to understand why they have the very strong competition, how they can make the cheaper price for the cookware factory. At the same time, they have the right margin for themselves. So I understand they talk to me that it's possible they choose the right policy material is very important.
这个产品表面的一个开皮就选择的用的这一款的一个牵一轮，这个牵一轮的话呢，我们就开它的皮，它要配有的是这一款的一个纸蜡，那个砂蜡，这个砂蜡那个皮背以后，它能开皮，能达到它的一个效果，去掉它的砂纹。那个蜡的话，它有它的一个油性比较重一点，它打出那个砂纹就比较幼。它幼的前提下呢，压麻就好用一点，有可能我们2道工序的，有可能1道可以完成它，这就叫我们所谓的就是一个工艺改良啊。
Let's go to your polishing wax factory to see how they do good quality. Using a furnace, melt the raw material wax together. Melt the wax into thick liquid. The melted wax flows down through the pipe. Adjusted by the rubber, the melted wax will fill in the mold. Then through air cooling, water cooling, polishing wax is done. Finally, packaging.